Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can turn on game mode in Windows 11 in any PC. Game mode is very important when you play games too much in your PC. When you use game mode, Windows prioritizes your gaming experience by turning things off in the background. When you are running a game in game mode, prevents window update from performing driver installation and sending restart notification. It is very useful for person who plays too much games. For this, you have to right click on the Windows icon shown in the taskbar. Then you have to click on the setting. After you click on the setting, a settings window will appear to you. Then you can see on the left side gaming option. You have to click on the gaming option. After you click on the gaming option, on the right side you can see Xbox Game Bar captures game mode. You have to click on the game mode option. Then you can see on the right side game mode option. It is already enabled in my PC. You can also enable it. Thank you for watching the video.